bumpity bump bump. Off the key.
Hey, 5.
You got it on, and I'm going to take it right now, 500. Selling good down here in the cornfields right by Louisville, Kentucky. Mr. 500, Jesse Brown, cornfield.
Yeah, Mr. Jesse Brown, you're all over my radio. 35 dB up on the northeast side. Mr. Jesse Brown down in the cornfields. 35 dB up on the northeast side. 500 00, letting you know that one. We're moving on, getting out of this channel, getting out of the way. Your friend, the 500, Jesse Brown, will do it again. We're out of here, bump.
Big old hammer, Jesse Brown, absolutely. I got a big old hammer. 122 bumping it down, just trying to let you know.
Well, I'm not 122. Hey, 122, don't do my radio like that. Jesse Brown, 122, come on.
Yeah, we're just getting in where we can fit in, Jesse Brown. No two ways about it. Trying to bump it down, wave a hand while we can. Jesse Brown, bring it on back to the state of Maine.
Well, I'm tell you what, I'm in the state of Maine, and you're in the state of Indiana, right beside Louisville, Kentucky. Well, anyway, take it easy, 122. I couldn't do a thing. I got to pick a keys up, and you was gone. Jesse Brown out.
Yeah, yourself a good one. Jesse Brown will do it again. 122 northeast corner, Maine, out of the road. Bye-bye.
Do it again, though, Jesse.
122. All right, 122. You're in the state of Maine, and I'm in the state of confusion. Jesse Brown, cornfield. I'm standing on top of the world. Bye-bye.
100% copy. Click, click.
What kind of antenna you got going on? I bet around the state. Yeah, we can do it again there, 500. I'll be listening for you next time. Jesse Brown, I'm going.
Jesse Brown, click, click, your friend, the 500, bumpity bump.
Click, click, like you said, Jesse Brown, I got it all.
500, Got you, Ranger 113713 in Virginia, waving a hello.
200. Go ahead, 152. You go out there, man. Sound like stereo, Jesse Brown out.
713, waving a hand if we can. Sounding good out of Virginia. 122 Maine, bumping it down, waving.
Sir, 152. We down here in southern Indiana on the riverbanks of the Ohio. Just on the big radio. Trying to get down on this old over 142.
Just says, enjoy your evening.
713, right back at you. No two ways about it. Have yourself a good day, better tomorrow. 713 Virginia, 122 Maine, back out waving. Bye-bye-bye.
In Roger, 152. You sounding good yourself, man.
804, waving at you, 122.
Take the bump down, old radio man.
Hey, 804, a long time no here. No two ways about it. If we can get it down that coast, 804, bring it on back to Maine.
Yeah, man, no pain, no strain. I thought I heard you in my beam. I maybe wheel around there and see if I got anything going on. So, yeah, been a while. No Mother Nature been in our favor until the last day or so. But 804, wishing you well with that way in the northeast. Sounded good in North Carolina. 804 on the side.
Oh, right back at you, 804, right back at you, absolutely. Still sounding loud and proud up here into the corner, no two ways about it. Shooting up the old coastline, no doubt. Yeah, we're talking off from the new antenna we just threw on the tower, no doubt. Hey, 804, we making it or what?
Alright, man, you loud proud up on your... Checking out a new driver down here, just 9-6.
Right back at you, 804. You have yourself a good day, better tomorrow. We'll do it again. 122 Maine out of the road. Bye-bye.
24, 122.
Hey, that 804, I love them Russian tubes. Hey, 804, I love them Russian tubes. 500 up here around Maine, letting you know. The audio on them Russian tubes is really good.
Yeah, thank you, 500, for the, let me know the audio is good on the Russians there. Two little skinny,
Got that 144.
catch you there, 500, been a while, gonna speak your way, 804 on the mail.
Check there. I wanted to let you know. Have a good evening.
Come on out there at 505. You copy 202-122. On 88, got on 88. We're going to jump in there and see if we can get our feet wet. Mr. 88, old 309 down here in Indiana waving, and I'm back out. Making too much noise in the grass. Yep.
State of Maine, pocket knife in the bluegrass.
Hey, pocket knife. I say pocket knife in the bluegrass. Make it to the state of Maine. Be the Rogers on that, Mr. 88. Same way down here in southern Indiana. Have yourself a fine afternoon. What's the left of it? 309. The backwoods of the dirty will. 661 down here, waving. 713 in Virginia. Holy, now that's a lot of men. Everybody out there at DX land.
Lot of noise down here, Rebel One. Lots of bunch coming back.
Yeah, better coming back to the bluegrass. They just... Oh, 309. Did you blow on the throat? Man, you sounded good this afternoon. Wait a minute, don't you? Near separator. Lake 61, West Kentucky. Hello, week one. Week in southern Indiana. Hey, week one, 309, waving, and we back out. She's sounding good, though. Hello, week one was the 309. Back out. Sounding about. All that noise on my little radio, I hate it when that happens. Station in the nation, 111. That's right, the weakest station in the nation. Northeast. Week one, 111, backwoods. Gang 2 weeks, Indiana, 111, 309, gone. 3 in Virginia, 111.
All that noise on my little radio, they call me Mr. Screwdriver, state of Maine, we're trying.
On a spell. I hear a whole bunch of